Today, we're going to show you how to make this delicious bread pudding. It was a big hit at our New Year's Eve party, and we hope you enjoy it as well. So first, just slice the bread up into cubes. Even though we left our bread out for a few days to get stale, we're just going to pop it in the oven for a few minutes to dry it out a little further. To make the sauce, melt butter over medium heat, and you'll want this to turn a light brown color before adding the next set of ingredients, which are corn syrup, sugar, brandy, and heavy cream. You'll also be adding vanilla and a pinch of salt. Leave this on medium heat for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, and the point is that you want this sauce to be thick enough to coat the back of a spoon.
Do this till it can coat the back of a spoon, which means that when you run your finger down like that, it kind of holds it, the line. Okay?
To make the pudding, whisk together eggs, heavy cream, and sugar. You'll also add cinnamon, vanilla extract, and orange zest. Whisk this all together. Now it's time to add the bread. Butter the baking dish before pouring in the bread pudding mixture. Bake at 350 for a total of 55 minutes. For the first 20 minutes of baking, cover in foil. The crust should be golden brown. Take out the sauce that you made earlier and spoon the bread pudding into cups or bowls, whatever you choose to serve it in, and then add some of the sauce on top. Let us know if you decide to give this recipe a try. All ingredients and amounts, as well as instructions, are listed in the description bar beneath this video. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy!